Welcome back, and in today's video we are going to make the WRX a little louder. So here we have some Nameless Performance axle backs that are 4-inch mufflers with 3-inch tips. So the reason I'm doing it because I don't like that it's nice and quiet. The exhaust is, you can kinda hear a little bit of the exhaust, you know, stock exhaust, but I like my cars a little bit more louder. Not as loud as my STI. STI is pretty much straight pipe right there. But car is a daily, so I do still want to have, you know, comfortability to do. So I will be installing these real quick. I'm not going to be showing you step by step how to do it because we've done it before. Just watch my old videos. But I will say, pro tip, you know, the guys that have done exhaust before, you know, the hangers, stock hangers that are a pain in the ass to take out, just use WD-40 on the hangers and it'll slide right out. A buddy of mine told me use WD-40 or silicone spray, whatever, anything that is a lubricant, and it'll slide right off. It's not as hard as, you know, trying to do it dry. So let's get these bad boys out and get these bad boys in, see how it looks and then how it sounds. Alright, so the axle backs are installed and they look not perfect, but with you know, mass production like tips like these, there's always like some of them might not be perfect, some of them might be perfect. So these ones are hanging just a tiny little bit lower. This one kind of just a bit low. I try to adjust the hangers and stuff, but it's still, when you tighten it up, it kind of all falls kind of into place. They're like the same, it's just that they need to be just a tiny little bit higher. And of course they're 3 inches tips. I wish I had like 4 inches, like something to get the whole you know, the whole hole, fill it up all the way. Same thing happened to my STI, like kind of like one side is like really high and the other one is like perfect. So it's the same thing. That's gonna happen sometime in the future. It's gonna have like a custom exhaust. They look good. I still haven't turned it on yet, but if I really, it's really small, like you really can't tell, like if you're standing from top, but like if you're like down here, down low, you see it. But if I need it to be, just take it to one of those, you know, a close local shop, and then pretty much probably just gonna cut the hangers and just weld it a little bit higher to make it nice and centered. But it looks good, right, so far. So let's turn it on. Let's see how it sounds. So not too bad. Let's take it for a drive or a spin. People want to hear it from the inside, not from the outside, right? Let's see how it's daily driving mode. I do gotta say, driving it just regular around here, you can definitely hear it now better than the, you know, better than what stock was. But it's nice and low, that is not obnoxious, or you don't have to be screaming inside the car to, you know, you can't hear your music, but it's, you can hear it there. It's not extremely loud, but it's actually pretty good. guys, hopefully you can hear that a little bit in the background, that it's there. Let's do another pull real quick. So no pops and no crackles, but you can actually hear the little not a rumble. You can hear the exhaust a little bit. So it's good. I think it's perfect for, you know, daily driving, you know, for family. This is still a family car. It's not a race car. It's a fun little daily car, but I think it's perfect for what it is right now. Maybe in the near future I change exhaust and I want it louder, but I don't see that happening because it is the family car. So it is the new daily car, and I don't want to be, you know, changing this daily car into what my STI is. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoy this video, and I hope this gives you a little idea if you're gonna make your determination of what exhaust you're looking for, because usually a lot of people do look at what the exhaust sounds like before they actually buy an exhaust, right? So you're here watching this video to see if you like it or not. So I just hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, just give me a thumbs up, and if you're a new person watching my video, just consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.